It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm here at Planet Hollywood at the Spice Market Buffet. Now the Spice Market Buffet was once known as the best buffet in Las Vegas, but that goes back to its days as part of the Aladdin Hotel and Casino. Well, the Aladdin now is Planet Hollywood, and it's been Planet Hollywood for quite a while. But what about the buffet? It's still the Spice Market Buffet, but is it still the best? Let's find out the truth about the Planet Hollywood Buffet. Well, the first thing you'll notice is this buffet is about half the size that it used to be. This used to be a whole nother side of the buffet, and now it's just a wall. They still have American, Italian, seafood, dessert, Asian, Middle Eastern, Mexican, and salad. Now I'm feeling healthy today, like I want to eat healthy, so I figure I'll start over here at the salad bar. Not a lot of people over here, so I pretty much have the pick of everything I want, with no line, no wait, and all the cheese I can eat. Or ambrosia salad. Grilled vegetables, this is healthy stuff. And if I wanted to just make a salad, there's all the fixins here, just my own personalized salad, lettuce and garbanzo beans, cucumbers, tomatoes, and the dressings. And if I just wanted to make some tortilla chips and my own little nachos, there's guacamole and sour cream and all the fixins. And what am I going to put on those nachos? Well, how about chicken fajitas or pancakes? Now, I don't know. This is, it's lunchtime, but I guess they're still serving breakfast. Those do look good. Breakfast burritos. All the breakfast food is covered in plastic. I don't know what that means. But now we're coming up to my favorite part of the Planet Hollywood Buffet, and that is the Mid-Eastern section, as it says. Oh no, where's all the kebabs, all the tandoori? This is where the tandoori chicken usually is. It's just a bunch of... There's nothing. Oh no. Well, I do see they still have some teriyaki chicken over here, and braised pork, and pork fried rice. Pretty sure this isn't Middle Eastern food. Spring rolls. Oh wait, no, looks like baklava. Is there some meat coming or no?
I put right over there.
Oh, that's right over there.
On it.
Oh, they're working on it. Oh, okay, thank you.
you.
Oh, I see. So this is the meat that's usually out on display. All the, it's like a tandoori chicken or something. And there's naan, bread, and hummus. Tabbouleh salad. This is pretty healthy stuff too. I think I could probably eat pretty healthy in this section. But not at this section. This is the desserts. Cupcakes galore over here. Just about every flavor of cupcake that you might desire. And brownies. And toast, butter, and jam. And cookies and cheesecake. Alright, well for the most part I think things do look pretty healthy. It's just a matter of choosing the healthy food, not choosing all the pastries. Like these delicious desserts by Chef Fong. Good to know he's out here making these delicious desserts. He probably doesn't make the custard here though. And there's one last section that was pretty fast, but here's the pizza. I gotta say that doesn't look appetizing. French fries look all right. Seafood paella, that looks all right too. And green beans and mashed potatoes. It's no secret I love mashed potatoes, and I also love chicken. And this looks like rotisserie chicken and turkey. And I definitely love turkey. Oh, there's ham too. All right, so there's several meats here. It's lunchtime, so there are meats, plenty of meats for lunch. And of course there's still breakfast foods, eggs Benedict, bacon. I guess it's technically brunch. Ooh, hash browns look alright too. And that's basically it. It was a lot. It's a much quicker experience going from one end of the buffet to the other than it used to be here at the Planet Hollywood buffet. And their self-service drinks. I guess if you're on a time crunch, you can just get in here, eat, and get out. Well, let's make a plate and let's eat. All right, now I don't know how I missed this before because maybe it wasn't here, but these look like fried chicken tenders. Maybe I was just distracted by this pizza. But I'm trying to eat healthy. I want to eat healthy. I want to eat just some. Can I get some turkey?
Sure.
We'll start with some turkey and some vegetables. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, that looks pretty good. The rest of that breakfast food doesn't look too healthy, so I'm gonna go back down to this end. I'm telling you, the Middle Eastern food has got to be where it's at. So I'm gonna get, well, not the fried rice. Let me get some of this like tandoori chicken and a couple of these skewered vegetables. And actually, no, braised pork. This has got meat and vegetables. Is this healthy though? Well, I'm gonna give it a try. That's the great thing about buffets. You can just give everything a try. I gotta get something down here. I know there's healthy food down on the salad bar. I guess the salad is what I was remembering. Alright, well I'll make a little side salad. If you ever watched my videos before, you know that I almost never do this. So you know I must be feeling like I want to eat healthy. Not gonna get too crazy though. Just gonna put like a little Italian dressing on here. All right, let's eat. Now the last time I was here at the Planet Hollywood buffet, I had pretty high hopes and I was pretty disappointed. The buffet was still its original huge expanse, but the food quality had deteriorated over the years. Today I came in with expectations pretty low, but so far this stuff looks pretty good. Now the lunch price is $23.99, so that could affect the taste. You know, actually this turkey with the salad dressing on it, it's actually pretty good. All right. I think I figured out the Planet Hollywood buffet is where you go to eat healthy. Now I am back at the salad bar because that was just too good. Now I've got to get some more salad. These look like some kind of the similar roasted vegetables. Asparagus and cauliflower. They didn't have those over there. It's like eggplant, I'm guessing. And kale salad. Doesn't get any healthier than that. Also doesn't get any grosser than that. But I'm gonna force myself to eat some kale salad. I've got to get something else healthy. Is guacamole healthy? I think so. It's avocados, right? Those are a vegetable or a fruit or something. And this corn black bean relish. And some chicken fajitas. But I'm gonna eat them the healthy way, which is without the tortilla, which I presume is in here. Yep. Alright, I also got one of these stuffed grape leaves from the Middle Eastern section. So, I've got a pretty healthy lunch. Let's try the grape leaf. It's got rice inside. It's actually pretty flavorful. Alright, but let's try the rest of this food. This is like a very colorful plate. I think there's going to be a lot of flavors going on here too. Let's try the fajitas. Oh, I can dip this in the guacamole. It's even a little spicy, really. The peppers, the sauce, actually very flavorful. All right, let's try this kale salad. It's kale and red onions and maybe cheese. That's good. I think this is feta cheese. It's lightly dressed with some dressing and black olives. I can't believe it. I like the kale salad. Alright, for my last plate, I got some more turkey, mashed potatoes, green beans, teriyaki chicken, and bacon. Alright, let's go with what I know tastes good, which is this turkey. And this time I decided to put some gravy on it instead of salad dressing. I love turkey and gravy and mashed potatoes. String beans. Well, the Spice Market buffet at Planet Hollywood, it's definitely not one of the best buffets in Las Vegas like it used to be, but it's okay if you choose the healthier food, and really it can be actually a pretty good experience if you avoid the processed carbs and stick to the salads. And that's the truth about the Planet Hollywood buffet. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the Spice Market buffet at Planet Hollywood. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat, and it's all you can Vegas.